Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 127. In this video, I'll be taking apart a professional camera playback adapter, model VA-500. On the front here there are 4 controls for the 4 audio channels. You can enable and disable them. It has Dolby noise reduction and a headphone adjustment. And there's a meter here to show your audio level and battery test if you're running this off of a battery. This is where the cable hooks up going to the camera. This is a 75 ohm switch. Video out, there are 2 video outputs on this. Power in and audio output. There's even a circuit breaker back here. I'm going to pause for a moment and get the cover off, and then we'll take a look. I got the covers off, and here's the information sticker on the bottom. There's been some stuff rattling around in this for a while, and it looks like it just fell out. Take a little closer look at this board here. And another rattly piece fell out. And here come some screws. There's multiple levels of circuit boards in here. Being that this is analog, there are all kinds of adjustments inside here, just like in the camera. I'm going to pause for a moment and see if we can get a better look at the other boards. I removed a couple of screws here on the front of the circuit board, and this lifts up and locks into place. Here's the board from underneath. And this board looks like it does the same thing, but from underneath. Let me see if I have to pull all the knobs off of this or not. Looks like I don't have to. I'll be right back. Here's the lower board folded out. Here's how it looks with both boards folded out. There's an RF modulator here. I'm still amazed at how many adjustments this equipment has, but at the same time not really surprised, being that it is analog. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.